Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I can show you how to make my fifth Lego puzzle box. And yeah, let's get started. So basically you need a 3x4 base and put a 1x1 smooth piece here. There. Yeah. Okay, and so now put like 1x2 bricks here, there, and 2x3 bricks here, there. And now take a corner piece here, a corner piece, and another corner piece. Oh wait. Take a corner piece brick, this is the brick, and take two of this corner piece plate, stack it on top of each other, and stack it on top of the corner piece bricks. Okay. And so put it right there. 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 So now you make like a key. So take a 1x1 brick and a 1x1 smooth piece. Put it on top of each other. There. Okay. So now put this key here on this 1x1 smooth piece. There. Then now take a 2x2 plate, put it on top of here. There. You could push it hard so it won't fall off. It still fell off. You could do this too. Stand up and then push it like that. It still fell off. Okay, so just put it there. And now you can get do this. Put bricks all over here. Like this, 1x3 bricks here. There. And a 1x2 bricks here. And another 1x3 bricks on the outside. Okay. And now you need to build a okay. So take this 1x3 smooth piece. There. Put it there. In the middle. Not on the side, okay? Then take a corner piece. Put it here. Then a 1x2 bricks. Put it here. Then a 1x4 bricks. Put it there. And so now you need to build your prize. And here is how it looks like. So take like a 1x3 plate and a 1x2 bricks here, and a piece that have a hole there, and a 1x1. It's a 1x1 split piece. Put it on the piece that have a hole, and then take your price and put it up here. Okay. So you could put it in this 1x3 split piece, and make sure the whole piece needs to be sticking out. There. And this piece just fell off. Okay. There. And now put bricks all over here. Oops. Okay, you don't need to put this piece in yet. Just put it on the side. Then put bricks, put another bricks on top of here. Oops. Another bricks. There. I like that. Put another stack of bricks there. And now Now to make the roof, you need a 2x4 plates, and then take it on top there. Take a 1x4 plate and put it here. There. And now you are done. But if you want to make your roof smooth, you would just put smooth piece there, like me. I take a 2x4 smooth piece, put it there. And then we take a 1x4 smooth piece, put this there. Okay, so now you can put your price and your key inside, like this. And this here. Okay, there, you're done. So, thanks for watching, and if you guys enjoy, hope you guys enjoy, and so bye bye.